Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Okay. Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Amazing, guys. Amazing. So I was able to see a question right over here. I am not able to see that now. Where is the question? I just hear itself. Yeah. So, Almas Khan, are you still able to hear me? Almas, if you are able to hear me, could you write a message in the live chat? Almas Khan, if you are able to hear me, Almas, please do let me know, Almas. Almas Khan, could you let me know in the live chat, Almas Khan, if you are able to hear me? Okay, I think so. Almas Khan is just gone from the live chat itself. Almas, are you still there in the live chat? Okay. So Almas is there. Almas has a question. He has an examination on Python and he wants a suggestion for a book. So for those guys who are interested to learn Python, I'm going to share two resources with you right now. One of the resources is created by me itself. So full credits, I will take it. For the first resource, I have done the work. For the second resource, for a book, I will be letting you guys know one of the best books in the entire world to study Python from. Okay, the best book in the entire world to study Python from. So let me share that with you, Almas. Okay, do not worry, Almas. I'm always there for you guys. Okay, whatever help that you guys need. If it is for studies, okay, if it is for your own careers, I'm there for you. Okay, you never have to worry about it. But anything else except that, okay, please contact somebody else. So Almas, this is a particular set of work that I've created for anybody and everybody who wants to learn everything related to Python. Okay, everything and anything related to Python. If you guys want to learn from the utmost basics, again, guys, whatever resource that I all create, I have just one question that I keep in my mind. Is this something that a ninth standard or a eighth standard student can learn without having any experience? Only then I create something. So I have started writing a book actually. I just have started writing it. I'm saying that for the past 1 year. But yeah, so the part of Python, I have already published it right over here. For example, I've divided it into, I guess, 14 or 15 days. I don't remember it correctly. Okay, it's around 13 days. So 13 days of Python, this is the name of it. It will take you 13 days to know everything that you want to learn. If you guys want to learn the Python programming language, I will of course create a video series on this as well. I'm planning to create that. That would also be certified. You don't have to worry about it. So right over here, guys, let me just show it to you. Okay, so these are IP by NB notebooks. Okay, so as you're able to see, proper notes I've created for anybody and everybody who just wants to start learning Python. So you are having codes, you are having everything has been discussed right over here. Some additional resources as well have pasted it right over here if you want to know a little bit more. Some assignments I've made for you guys. Okay, everything from the utmost basics to the most advanced levels in Python. I have covered it in these notebooks as you are able to see proper explanation about everything. Some extra explanations as well. I put it up right over here. I will definitely make a video series on it for you guys as well. So you guys can definitely explore this. Okay, if you want to learn Python, day one is data types and operators, then control flow functions in Python. Then you are having scripting in Python, then NumPy, pandas. Then you're having data visualization in Seaborn as well as Matplotlib. That is very small, but yeah, it will just cover up the basics for you guys. And then generators in Python, a very important topic that many of you guys leave out. I don't know why. And there are some small projects as well that I had created. So project 2, secret message. And there was one more project, I think so, that is removed from right over here. So I will add it up at a later point of time. But it's a good resource. If you guys want, I will share this with you guys in the live chat itself. Okay, I am sharing this in the live chat, guys. I will pin it up as well for you. So anybody and everybody who wants to learn Python, you guys can definitely explore this. Uh, I am currently creating similar series on Java, on JavaScript, on C, C++, C Sharp, some basic programming language covered in its entirety. So you guys can definitely go through that. Now when it comes to book, okay, I'm currently doing that. I've not done it, I've just done it for Python, because that was my strong suit, right? For 3 years of my life I was just a data analyst and a data scientist and a machine learning engineer, so I was into Python a lot. So I've done that. Java, I haven't created it. I will be creating it in the future. Do not worry about it. I am planning a lot of things for you guys. When it comes to book, okay, which is the best book to learn Python, okay, does it teach oops object oriented programming? So I don't think so it covers oop. I don't remember if I have covered oops in this, but if that is something that you guys want, I will definitely create oops and I will add it up right over here as well. Okay, do not worry about it. Oops, I will add it up for you guys. uh, so do not worry, I will try my best. Whatever you guys need, I'm there for you. You don't have to worry about it. The next particular thing, best book on Python programming is automate the boring stuff with Python. Okay, this is the best book that I can suggest for you guys for learning Python. The best book in the entire world. So I again forgot the name. I'm so sorry. I will call you Mr. Khan, who asked this question for your examination. So if you want to learn Python, I will be suggesting that this is the best book for that, and the best money for your buck as well. So do not, again, please do not buy the book. Please do not waste your hard-earned money. Okay, there is a particular website called as pdfdrive.com, okay, wherein you can download the free book, a free PDF of this book. Okay, so pdfdrive.com, that is the name of the website. You can, I will just show it to you guys as well. It's pdfdrive.com. So if you guys want to get any books, you guys can definitely check this website out. Again, I have no affiliations with this website, and if anybody points out that this is piracy, I'm going to kill you. Okay, it's a good resource for you guys. So I use it time to time. I love books. I love the smell of books. I have a fuck ton of books in my room, but yeah, sometimes it's just better to just download it from the net. Okay, so definitely check it out, guys. Both the things very helpful for your own careers as well. Okay, so flying spirit is like, I want to get killed. Okay, good. How about the best book on JavaScript? I don't remember the name. I will search it for you. It is a black color book with some like rainbow shit on top of it. I have read that book. I'm not remembering the name. Java CRIPT books. Let me check. Okay, yeah, that's the book. Okay, I want the images. Okay, this black color book, that is the book. Okay, JavaScript and jQuery. This is the best book if you want to learn JavaScript, by John Deckett. Okay, so JavaScript and jQuery, it's a very good book to learn JavaScript at any particular point of time. This is the book that I also referred to while creating courses, because again, the best book according to me. It will be a little bit difficult for you guys to understand, but if you are attending this boot camp, okay, this book you can easily understand it. Don't worry about it. I'm covering up the basics so that you know the terminologies right over there to understand the book. The problem is that whenever it's a foreign editor, a foreign writer itself, they use pretty hard English. And for me as well, I'm not very good with English. I'm not very good at my speaking skills. But with time, practicing my and honing my skills and my speech and everything, right now I'm okayish. I'm not that good, but I try to be better. So please, this is a very good book for JavaScript for those who want to start learning JavaScript as well. For C++, okay, for C++, I won't be suggesting a book. The reason for that is very simple. C++ is the programming language that you will be using for just data structures and algorithms. Okay, not for any projects or something like that. So according to me, do not study data structures and algorithms or C++ from a book. That will be my on Java as well. These shouldn't be studied from a book. It should be studied via a course or something like that. That is my suggestion to you guys, but rest is up to you. Okay. Okay, guys, so shall we start with our today's class, guys? I am so sorry, I just went in some other path itself. So shall we start with our today's class, guys? Please let me know. I see, I know you guys are having a lot of questions, so I will try my best that I'm able to compile a list of books that I have read, and I vouch for that for everything that you guys want. Or someday we'll just have a normal session, we will not study, we'll just sit together, whatever question that you are having, I will try to answer those. Okay, so do not worry, we have 7 days, right? We will explore a lot, I'm not going anywhere. Okay, so let's get started right away, guys, and it will be an amazing session. I think so. Now the buffering should be gone. Okay, there will be no bufferings, no laggings from now onwards. I was connected to the shitty internet. Now the internet is perfect. Okay, there will be no buffering right now, guys. I'm so sorry for that. I was connected to the shitty internet. I'm so sorry. There will be no bufferings right now, guys. No bufferings right now. Please do not worry about it, guys. There's no buffering right now. Okay. Good, amazing, guys. So let's get started right away. Let's not waste any more time. Okay, good, guys, amazing. It should be sorted, guys. There shouldn't be any issues right now. Good. So, quick revision, guys. What have we studied in our previous class? Just a quick revision. Will that be fine? Just a quick revision, guys. What have we studied in our previous class? We studied about alert, we studied about variables, we studied about console.log, we studied about numbers, we studied about data types, we studied about strings, we studied about concatenation. Okay, anything else, guys? Console, alert, prompt, good. Anything else? Nothing else, right? And we started the topic of variables. So let's continue with our variables. We saw sources as well, the place where we are going to code today. Okay, so let's get started right away, guys. So let me open up a new page. Let me do a right click right over here. Let me go to inspect option. We'll go into sources. I'll open up your chat alongside with this, guys. I'll pop up your chats right over here, and I will make it come on the left hand side, and I will make the website come on the right hand side. I should be able to see your chats right over here. Okay, inside of the sources, we wrote this particular 2 lines of code, right, guys? We wrote these particular 2 lines of code, right or wrong, guys? Do you guys remember these 2 lines of code? Please let me know. Yes, Varish, you can of course apply CSS to the alert as well. Do not worry about it. Good. So now our task is to convert it into a function. That is our task, guys. We will convert these 2 lines of code into a function, guys. So what do I mean by that? So yeah, yesterday I told you guys, right? Variables is basically, yeah, you are having a value 2000, 25,000 rupees. You're having a value. You want to convert it into a variable, you write var rent is equals to 25,000 and then semicolon at the end. Okay, var rent is equals to 25,000 and then semicolon at the end. Right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. Right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. The next thing that we want to do is we are having a piece of code. We are having these 2 lines of code, guys. I want to convert these 2 lines of code into a function. So how would I do that? First, I have to declare, okay, that this is a function, guys. I'll write function function, just like var rent. Okay, so right now I'm creating a function. So I'm going to write first that I'm creating a function, then the name of the function. The name of the function, I'm calling it as greeting, greeting. I'm going to call this function as greeting. Then I'm going to put a parenthesis right over here. Now, what is this parenthesis? Why is it important? Why do we have to use this parenthesis? That we will be discussing in the next 10 minutes. But right now, just consider it as we need to put this parenthesis right over here. After 10 minutes, we'll discuss what it is. Then we will put a curly braces. Okay, we'll put your curly braces. Officially, you have created your function. You have created a function called as greeting. Okay, you have created a function called as greeting. And now you're going to put these two lines of code inside of these curly braces. Going to put these two lines of code inside of this curly braces, guys. Are you guys able to see this? So I've officially created a function called as greeting. Okay, you have officially created a function called as greeting, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Good, amazing, guys. So now that you have created this function called as greeting that contains these two lines of code, and I'm going to save it. I'm going to run this. Okay, right over here, I'm clicking on this button. As you're able to see, I'm clicking on this button, but nothing is happening. I'm not getting any prompts. I'm not getting any alerts. What is happening right over here? Did I fuck up somewhere? Did I not understand it somewhere? So what do you think is the problem? I've created this amazing function. Okay, it has two lines of code inside of it as well. But when I'm running this, it's not working. It's not working. Okay, some of you are right. Okay, that we have to call this function. But what do I mean by calling a function? So let me take an example for you guys. Give me a second. I will bring an example for you guys. Okay, give me a second, guys. Okay. So yesterday I told you guys that every day I will let you guys meet one of my pets. So this is Toto. Okay, this is Toto. Now I'm telling you everything about Toto. Toto is my ginger cat. Okay, it just doesn't stay with me. I don't know why, but it is my ginger cat. Okay, the cat ran. So that was Toto, guys. Now introduce yourself to Toto. Okay. So I'm telling you everything about him. So Toto is a street cat that we adopted. It is a male cat. It is ginger in color, orange cats itself. I'm telling you everything about Toto right now. And the best part is, it loves to kill cockroaches. Okay, it loves to kill cockroaches. Now let's assume that I am very scared of cockroaches. So if I see a cockroach, and I've told you everything about Toto. Okay, Toto is this. Toto is a cat. Toto is very cute. Okay, and he doesn't bite as well. So I've told you everything right over there. But if you get a cockroach in front of you, how would Toto know and come and kill it? You have to call it. You have to call Toto that, Toto, please come save me from this devil cockroach. Okay, then only your cat Toto will come there. It will kill that particular cockroach, and that is the work that Toto had to do. Similar to that, right over here, you have just introduced Toto to the JavaScript. You have just introduced this greeting function to JavaScript itself, that okay, this is Toto, this is what it is. This is the best particular thing that it can do. It can kill a cockroach for you. But the problem right over here with this is that you're not calling the function. Okay, you're not calling the function. To make sure that the function is actually working, you need to call the function. Toto will not be able to come and kill the cockroach. I've just told you that it does that. For him to come there and kill the cockroach, to do that, you have to call Toto. The same way, you have to call this particular greeting function to actually use it. Okay, so right over here, if I want to use this particular function, I will have to call it. Okay, I will have to write greeting, greeting, then parenthesis right over here, and then semicolon. Okay, greeting, parenthesis, and then semicolon right over here, guys. So if I save this right now, and then I run this particular thing, then you are able to see I'm getting the prompt. I will write my name, Shaurya, and I'm getting, hi Shaurya, welcome to DevTown right over here. As simple as that. Now, why do we use greetings? It's the exact same example that we use for values. Instead of writing a particular piece of code again and again, whenever you want to use it, you're just declaring it once and then using it wherever you want to use inside of your code. Okay, so I can use this greeting function at 50 different places inside of my code itself, wherever I want to use, instead of writing those 2 lines of code. Now, if I want to change the function, I just have to come right over here and change the code present inside of the function itself, greeting function. The use case is as simple as that, guys. The use case is as simple as that. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. So to use this particular function, you just have to call the function. To call a function, write the function name, then the parenthesis, and then you are having your semicolon at the end. As simple as that, right? Guys, I know many of you guys must be knowing what are functions and you might be feeling it's a very simple thing. Try to help the other students out who are not able to understand. Okay, in that particular way, both of you will be able to grow. Okay, thank you so much for, like, if it's possible. Okay, good. So the next particular thing that we are going to do, guys, is to understand what is that particular, what is this? Okay, what is this? So I need a particular volunteer, guys. Who will volunteer for the example? Please do let me know. Who will volunteer for the example, guys? Please do let me know. Anybody who would volunteer for the example, guys? Thank you so much, guys, for volunteering. I will take up the name of a very simple name I'm trying to find. Okay, I will take the name of Yash. Yash is a simple name. Okay, I will take the name of Yash. Okay, so Yash is like he attended the boot camp. He's amazed by my teaching capabilities. He's like, oh my god, this is amazing. DevTown is amazing right over here. So Yash basically decides that from now onwards, I'm so and Yash is very rich. Okay, Yash is like 5th generation rich itself. Like, it's not as if his father was rich or something like that. His father, forefathers, everybody was rich. So he has a lot of money and he was impressed by DevTown. So he's like, okay, for everybody who is joining DevTown itself, we will have a party. Everybody will come to my house and we'll have a party right over there. So Yash organizes a party for us, guys. Yash organizes for everybody inside of DevTown. Anybody who is a part of DevTown, Yash organizes a party for us. Okay, so let us keep this name right over here and let's see the party of Yash. So this is Yash place of party. It has an entry door. It has an exit door as well. Okay, now Yash is like, if you want to come to this party, okay, he has sent an invitation to everybody out there. If you want to come to this party, you can only enter if you are bringing a gift for us. Okay, if you are bringing a gift for DevTown, only then you can enter into this particular party. Okay, so let's assume this is me. Again, I will draw myself. That is my stomach, but I will remove it. I am not that fat, actually. I am, but I don't want you guys to know. This is my hair, specs, beard, mustache. Okay, so this is me. So he has said that if you want to enter into the party, no matter who you are, you need to bring a gift for the party itself. So this is my gift. Okay, this is the gift that I'm bringing for the party. Now there's a bouncer right over here, guys. Okay, Riyash has put up a bouncer right over here. He will check if you are a part of DevTown and have you provided. Okay, so bouncer needs to be body. Okay, so this is the bouncer and he has like a fuck ton of muscles right over there. Okay, 8 packs. So right over here, Harsh, this bouncer will be checking if we have the gift or not. If we have the gift, then we are allowed to enter. Otherwise, we are not allowed to enter itself. Okay. So I bought the gift. I am allowed to enter. So I enter into the party itself. Now this is Harsh. Yes. Okay. This is Yes. Okay. Very rich. So his eyes are not eyes. It's dollar signs. Okay. He's so rich. So he's like, okay, so whatever gift that you guys are bringing in for the party, we will be using, okay? We will be using that gift inside of the party, and that gift will be the prizes of different activities that we are going to do. Okay, so for example, let's have a magical musical chair competition, and as the top 10 people who are winning the musical chair, whatever gifts that you are bringing, we will be distributing that inside, okay, inside of the game itself. Okay, so the same thing, parallel to it, we are having the greeting function. Okay, let's assume that the greeting function is also a party. Okay, the greeting function is also a party, and this greeting function also requires you to bring in a gift for this particular party. So let's assume the gift that the greeting function wants is your age. Okay, let's assume that the gift that the greeting function wants is your age, and you can utilize this age inside of the party itself, that is inside of your code. Anywhere, however you want to utilize that age, you can utilize it inside of the code itself, that is inside of our party, because greeting is our party, guys. Greeting is our party. Okay, so even if you were not able to understand it, let's look at it from a practical standpoint. Maybe while looking at the code and trying to understand the code itself, you guys will be able to understand. So we are going to go back. We are going to put up an argument right over here. That is this function greeting. Okay, this function greeting is going to utilize age as well. It requires a gift. Without this gift, you are not supposed to enter into my party. That is my greeting party itself. And that age, you can use it inside of your code. So I will put up hi name. Okay, you are plus age plus years old. Okay, so this gift that we are providing to the greeting function, okay, this gift that we are providing to this particular greeting function itself, that gift we can utilize it inside of the function. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Now this age right over here is called as your argument. Okay, this age that you are able to see right over here is the technical name. The technical name for that is parameter. I'm very sorry, it is parameter, not argument, parameter. Please remember, if you have a notebook and a pen, please write it down while you are declaring the function right over here, right? You're declaring the function right over here. So whenever you're declaring the function, okay, you're declaring that this function requires a gift, that is called as a parameter. So whatever goes in between these parentheses, okay, whatever goes in between these parentheses is called as a parameter, guys. Please write it down. Very important thing. People forget about it. Okay, you will get confused at a later point of time. Write it down somewhere. Parameter right over there. Okay, now when I want to call this function, okay, when I want to call this function itself, I have to provide okay, I have to provide the age right over here, right, guys? Please let me know. I have to provide the age right over here for it to work, right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. I have to provide the age, right? It needs a gift. Okay, it needs a gift right over there, so I need to provide it with the age. Let's assume I'm providing it the age of 26. Okay, I'm providing it with the age of 26. So this is called as your argument. When you're calling the function, whatever you're writing right over there is called as an argument. When you're declaring the function, whatever you're writing inside of the parenthesis is called as a parameter. Okay, please remember that these are technical names. Why is my name Shaurya Sinha? I don't know. It is just like the person who created me gave me this name. Similar to that, the person who created programming at some particular point of time gave these names. Okay, and we need to remember them. Okay, so in a similar way, right now, this is called as a parameter. Whatever goes when you're declaring the function inside of the parenthesis is called as parameter. Okay, whatever goes inside of the parenthesis when you're calling the function is called as an argument. Okay, so right over here, I'm providing the age as 26. Now I'm going to run this particular line of code. As you're able to see, it's getting me what is your name. So I will put up Shaurya. Now I'm able to see, hi Shaurya, you are 26 years old. Okay, hi Shaurya, you are 26 years old. Okay, so right over here, guys, please remember one thing, that this parameter is not a variable. Otherwise, I would have called it a variable, right, guys? This is a parameter. It's not a variable. That is the reason why we don't have to write var age is equals to something like that, because it's not a variable. Please do not confuse between a variable and a parameter. This one is called as a parameter. In parameter, you put it in between the parentheses, and that you can utilize it within the function itself. It is the gift for the party. It is the gift for the party, guys. Now I can have as many parameters as I want. I want to take in the age as the gift. I want to take in the address address as a gift. I can have thousands of parameters right over here. Millions of parameters right over here. No issues in that. Okay. No issues in that. Okay. Again, like I said, there is no requirement of mentioning the data type. First of all, in JavaScript, we don't mention the data type. Okay, anywhere while creating. That is the reason why we studied about variables. Secondly, this is a parameter, not a variable itself. Okay, and right over here, guys, the age that I'm passing right over there. Okay, now I can pass in the age as well as the address. So let's assume Bangalore, Bangalore. I'll pass in the Bangalore as well. So now I'm passing two arguments right over here, and I can add it up right over here as well. Years old, and you live in plus Bangalore. Okay, so okay, sorry, plus address. I'm so sorry for that. Address address. I'm going to save it right over here, guys. I'm going to run this particular line of code again. Shaurya, and I'm able to see, hi Shaurya, you are 26 years old and you live in Bangalore. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Of course, yes, parameters and arguments are dependent upon each other. These are just the technical names that you guys need to remember. Okay. Amazing. You guys are so smart, man. You guys are so smart. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Amazing. Let's move on to the next particular thing, guys. Let's move on to the next particular thing. The horrendous thing. What happens when we leave Yash's party? I told you guys, right? Yash is like rich. Okay, there are people who are rich. Yash is rich as fuck. Okay. People are rich, right? Yash is rich as fuck. So when we are leaving this party that he has organized for us, he's going to give us with a return gift. We didn't even bring a gift for him as well. We used it inside of the party and it got as prizes itself. We didn't bring any gift for Yash. And now when we are leaving his party, Yash is giving us return gifts. So Yash is like rich as fuck. So when we are leaving this party, let me leave this party right now. Okay, let me leave this party right now. This is me leaving the party. So I have been given a return gift via Yash. Okay, as you're able to see, I have been given a return gift via Yash, guys. Okay, so now this return gift that I'm getting from Yash, because Yash is so amazing that he's given us, maybe some other person might organize a similar party. He might not give us a gift, right? So this return that is there, okay, that is something that we need to understand. So let us go back to our roots. Okay, let us go back to our roots. Alert. Hi. This is the very first function that we have learned, guys. Alert is an inbuilt function. The person who created JavaScript wrote the code for this alert function to exist. You are just calling that function right over here. Somebody who created JavaScript declared this function and you are just using it right over here, guys. Okay. Your greeting. Okay, your greeting 26 is a user defined function. The declaration, the creation of this greeting function is something that we are doing and we are only utilizing it. So please remember, alert and prompts are inbuilt function, guys. These are already made by the person who created JavaScript. So now that you guys remember this function that we have studied and you guys are able to realize that that was a function itself, nothing else. Okay, so let's try to analyze something. When I run this particular function alert, okay, when I run this particular function alert, let us go back to the console. We'll run this alert, alert alert, and we'll write hi. Okay, I'm very sorry. We'll write hi right over here, or anything that we want. You are able to see that when we are running this particular line of code, when you're running this particular line of code, we are seeing 12 coming up as a notification itself, as an alert itself. And when we are closing this up, you are getting undefined in the console. Are you guys able to see this undefined in the console, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this undefined in the console, guys? Please let me know. Good. But when I am running this prompt is again a function, right, guys? Prompt is again a function. When I'm running prompt right over here, whatever I type inside of the input, whatever I type inside of the input, I'm not getting undefined. I'm getting that inside of the console, right? I'm getting something inside of the console. I'm not getting undefined right over here. I'm getting something inside of my console. So try to understand this, that when you are running this alert function, it is a party which is not giving you any return gift. Try to understand it like that. Okay, this alert function, when you're running it, this is a party which is not giving you anything, no return gifts from this party. But when you run this prompt function, it is giving you a return gift from this party itself. That is something that you're getting back. It's your return gift. So undefined right over means no return gift. You didn't get anything. Okay, it was just like party hua, you are going home. That's it. Okay, but this prompt function, when you're running it, you're getting a return gift right over here. Right now, if I run my greeting function, I run my greeting function 24 Bangalore. Okay, I press enter. What is your name? Shaurya. I'm getting a alert. Hi Shaurya, you are 24 years old and you live in Bangalore. Okay, as you're able to see, we are getting undefined right over here. We're getting undefined right over here because while declaring the function, there is no return. We are not returning anything. Let's do one thing. Let's return the name of the user. Okay, you can return anything. You can return 0, you can return 1, you can return 1000, you can return anything that you want. Okay, it's up to you. Right now, I'm just returning the name of the user back. Okay, so this function, when it gets executed, it will return back the name of the user. Return back the name of the user. So if I'm saving this right over here, going back to the console, running this particular line of code once again, greeting 24 Bangalore, I'll write my name once again. Hi Shaurya, you are 24 years old and you live in Bangalore. You are getting Shaurya back. Instead of getting undefined like previously, you're getting Shaurya back. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Why is this undefined coming up? What is its importance? Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Okay, very few yeses are coming up on my way. Okay, a lot of people are able to understand it. Good. So just think about it in such a way. When you're leaving a party, is a return gift being provided to you or not? If a return gift is coming your way, that means you are getting something on your output screen. If you are not getting a return gift, that means undefined is coming up. If there is no return, undefined. Very good. If there is no return, undefined right over there. Okay, it's as simple as that, guys. Okay, if you are having a return statement, return name, I'm returning something right over here in our function, then I will be getting that return. Whatever is returned, I will be getting it right over here. If there is no return statement, then I will not be able to get anything. I will get undefined. Because nothing, I'm not getting any return gifts from the party. I'm not getting any return gifts from the party itself. Great, guys. Amazing, amazing. So almost everybody was able to understand it. Amazing, guys. You guys are so smart, man. You guys are so smart. So you guys were able to understand functions, right, guys? Please let me know. What is the use of return gift right over here? Please try to understand it that prompt returns the input of the user. And that is what you are utilizing it. You are saving that inside of variables itself and using it. You have already seen what is the use case of why should a return statement exist. Because otherwise, without a return statement, prompt won't even exist. You will not be able to get what the user is writing. That is the first and the most practical implementation of return statements that you've seen right over there. Of course, right now you are not able to understand it because you have just started programming. When we'll be moving into React.JS from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start with React.JS, guys. Practical React.JS. Even if you don't have a laptop, do not worry. Whatever we are going to study in React.JS, you will be able to do it from your mobile phones. Do not worry about it, guys. Okay. Ooh. Then you will be able to see the utilization of the return statement. So do not worry about it, guys. Okay. So are you guys able to understand everything? Please let me know. Guys, screen is blurred. Okay, that I will tell you guys tomorrow. Can you show the sources tab once again? Sure. This is the sources code that we have written right over here, guys. As you're able to see, we are just returning the name. You can return anything. You can return 0 as well. Return 0. I'm just writing return 0. Just the number 0 I'm going to return. Now when I'm running greeting 24 Bangalore, I'm putting up my name right over here. You're getting 0 printed out on your screen. Because that is what you're returning right over there. You can return anything that you want. That is up to you. Okay. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. So guys, today I have some extra work that is there from the office, and one of my friends is also there that is coming up to the home. So today we'll be keeping the session a bit short. Okay, we'll be having full-blown session tomorrow. Do not worry about it. Today there is some work as well as I have to go out. So today we'll keep just one attendance. Okay, today we'll keep just one attendance itself. Tomorrow we'll start with the two attendances. No issues in that. And tomorrow we are going to start with React.js. See, if I wanted, I would have spent like 5 days on JavaScript. But then you are not learning anything. You are here to learn React.js, front-end web development. So whatever we are going to study from tomorrow onwards, okay, whatever new concepts, for example, cons, let, all these concepts are left. Whatever concepts arise right over there, I will be explaining you those concepts right over there itself. So do not worry about it, okay? So while learning, so once I've covered up a bit of, you are able to understand a bit of JavaScript, just the basics itself. Now, whatever advanced topics are coming up right over there while learning React.js, I'll be teaching you JavaScript right over there itself. Okay, so we are not wasting any time, and actually we are learning what we are here to learn. Okay, so I will share the attendance link with you guys right now. So this is the attendance link, guys. Please start filling up the attendance link. Please start filling up the attendance link. The attendance link will be closed in the next 5 minutes. The attendance link will be closed at exactly 8:20. The attendance link will be closed exactly at 8:20, guys. Please start filling up your attendance. The attendance link will be closed exactly at 8:20. Please start filling up your attendance. The attendance link will be closed exactly at 8:20, guys. Please start filling up the attendance. MD Bilal, are you in Bangalore? Yes, MD Bilal, I am in Bangalore. I live in Bangalore. I breathe Bangalore. Okay, but I'm not from Bangalore. It's just the job that has put me up right over here. Aryan Tiwari, I guess all the certificates have been sent. I don't know. I think so. I have to check LinkedIn if I'm able to find any certificates right over there. According to me, I think so. All the certificates have been sent. This is the HTML Instagram clone bootcamp. I'll have to check. I don't remember if the certificates have been sent or not. Please start filling up the attendance, guys. Today we'll have just one attendance. The class is short. Once you've filled up the attendance, you can leave the class as well. The attendance link will be closed exactly in 4 minutes, guys. It will be closed at 8:20. Fatma, if you have missed on one of the attendance, do not worry. We'll take it for you guys. Do not worry about it. So I'm a pre-final year student, so we will get into advanced JavaScript and React.JS. Arun Kumar, we will be pushing you guys into the levels where you are able to create a project. Okay. So basics of React as well as JavaScript will be covered. You don't have to worry about it. Sumit is like unable to find link. Bro, come on, man. Don't do like that. Please send book names in WhatsApp groups. Okay, no issues in that. So guys, for those guys who are not able to join the WhatsApp groups, you guys can join the Telegram channel. Okay, you guys can join the Telegram channel. So yesterday you guys met Lucy. Today you guys met Toto. Tomorrow I will be making you guys meet Oscar. And after that you will be meeting the CEO of this company. Okay, so I will be letting you guys know that the CEO of this company is a very professional lady. She is from Scotland. Okay, so she's from Scotland itself. She's very pretty. So I hope that you guys will be able to meet her as well in 2 to 3 days, and I hope that you guys will be able to enjoy whatever she has to say or not. Okay, she's a very shy person. The CEO is whenever you guys will be meeting the CEO, you will be told about her name as well. Do not worry about it. So how many cats do you have? I have 3 cats and 2 dogs. Okay. The attendance link will be closed in the next 2 minutes, guys. The attendance link will be closed in the next 2 minutes. Please start filling up the attendance, guys. The attendance link will be closed in the next 2 minutes. How much equity does she has? She has all the equity. Okay, everything is hers. This house is hers. The laptop that I'm using is hers. The phone that I have is hers. Everything is hers itself. Do not worry about it. Are Susie? Can you show the console window, please? Oh, Susie is already here. Susie, Susie, Aja. So the CEO of DevTown, Susie, Chief Entertainment Officer. I don't know if you guys are able to see her or not. That's Susie. She just played Holi, so a lot of colors is there. Oh. Okay. So she is the Chief Entertainment Officer of DevTown. Her name is Susie. Susie the Retriever. It's like Perry the Platypus. Okay. So now the attendance will be closed, guys. Almost the people who were there live have already filled up the attendance. I guess so, because not a lot of feelings are coming up, and these many people were not there in the class. Okay, so that is what we are going to do, guys. Okay, and I hope that you guys are having an amazing time. Don't they fight? No, no, no. These kids are amazing, man. These kids are so good. Someday, if you guys are ever in Bangalore, we might do a meetup. Today I went into a meetup via Master Union. I was not very impressed by that. It was a very bad interactiveness was not that good. So I also think that we should also have some meetups wherein we are able to meet, we are able to discuss as well. So about some shit and some things, and we can enjoy a little bit as well. So yeah, we'll definitely plan that out, guys, with you. So I will close this meeting right over here, guys. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow at the same time, 7:30. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow, guys. The class is over. You guys can leave. Thank you so much, guys. Today only one attendance. I told you guys I need to go out for a party with my friend. Okay, So we'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue with our JavaScript. We are with React.JS. So we'll be starting with React.JS from tomorrow. I hope that you guys will be having an amazing time learning right over here. And let's enjoy. Okay, good night, guys. Have an amazing night. Thank you. And please enjoy as well a little bit. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye.